Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a very simple St. Patrick's Day cake. Let's get started.
I start out frosting a 4-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. And I clean up the cake board. I also put some green buttercream in a piping bag with a round tip. I piped a pearl border along the bottom of the cake. This is just a simple squeeze and release with a round tip. Then I piped a shamrock on the side of the cake. This is piping petals, which is a blob pulled in one direction towards the center, kind of like 3 hearts with the points all pointing to the center. And then pipe one line for the stem. I piped several shamrocks all around the cake and one on top of the cake. Finally, I piped a rounded shell border along the edge of the cake. And I tapped down the tips of the pearls along the bottom. This simple shamrock cake was really quick to make and is perfect for a St. Patrick's Day celebration. Happy St. Patrick's Day! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.